Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sandeep from Muffinsonstyle and I'm back here with another video. This video is part of my previous video where I wanted to show it to you about this beautiful architecture of city Florence. This video I specifically wanted to make it to you to show it to you how beautiful the sunset here in Florence. I'm sure this video will remind you of those episodes of Money Heist which is streaming on Netflix. I'm sure you guys are going to have a great love with this city because this city is beautiful. Definitely it's worth of traveling and it's worth of spending at least 2 nights here and explore this city by just walking.
Florence. Florence look really amazing at the sunset, and you will love Florence view, and especially the pink sky. It has a beautiful skyline which you can check it out. This looks amazing. I definitely would love to come back to this city again, and I would love to take it around because this city is amazing. You don't really need a big map or a city map. Just switch on your Google map and check out all the best places, and trust me, the best places are just a walkable distance from each other. So from the cathedral I walked around 2 kilometers. I just climbed a small cliff and I am here. Trust me, this is one of the best feelings that I have got it during my Florence trip. Trust me, I'm really going to tell you, you are going to like this place. It's really chilly after the sunset. Temperature goes down really like 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. And since it's a humid city, you are going to feel really chilly, really cold.
So next time if you're planning to go to Italy, don't miss out Florence. So this is it about this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you already like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more updates. I'll be really happy to come up with some nice ideas. And hey, if you didn't follow me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll be always happy to come up with some new ideas and get you some more content. So this is it from Sandeep. I'll be back with another new video. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, stay home, and definitely stay safe. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye bye.